So, prior to this, I have actually created a virgin diffuser part from Autodesk Fusion. So let's have a look now how the system reacts. So it actually tells that there is no tokens, there is no security in this file, and it's missing a lot of data. It has the only data it actually gets from Fusion 360 is the title. The rest is not filled in by Fusion. So let's do this from the start. I will not fill in everything for audio. We can also put in product rating. This is diffuser acoustics, etc. I will not bore you with filling in everything. I can just put in some data here, commercial rights, etc. needs to be filled out, owner address, the license file, license terms. We can choose a license, and if I have a link to the license, we can also add that it was done in Fusion, and of course add when it was modified and created. So this now means we can write these changes and download. So if we now open this file from the download side, and we actually take a check, so this one will be in downloads, and it will be this file. You now see that we have a full security check on this file, and all the data that we added is written down to the batch. Thank you.